Y'all, long time no vlog. I know, but I'm about to cook some seafood, and I decided to just pick up my phone and do a cook with me. So I'm about to show y'all what I'm about to cook up. So here is everything that I need. I'm cooking some snow crab, some lobster, shrimp, corn, sausage. This is not the sausage I normally get, but you know, quarantine life, everything's running out, so I had to settle for that. Potatoes, boiled eggs. I don't know how to cook eggs, so I get them already boiled. I need some butter, so sweet onion for the butter sauce, and then all these seasonings are for the butter sauce as well. And that's about it.
I was mad at you.
I've been watching Gossip Girl.
I should have kept my mouth shut.
Like rewatching them season 2.
But really? Sorry.
You have to tell me.
I got my pot ready. I've cut up my potatoes.
You go out that service entrance.
Time to drop them in the pot. I got some salt in there.
Are you being me?
Some
Chance.
pink Himalayan salt.
Because I'm sick of living the mess you created for us.
I love
And
it.
I'm not going to do it anymore.
Chance, get down.
I hope you don't either.
The annual Vanderwoods and Dime
I'm gonna let those cook a bit before I put my corn in.
I don't blame her.
So I put my corn, and then I put some onion powder, garlic powder, and obey seasoning, and butter, all in that. And so I'm just gonna let those cook. I'll put it down like that much. I'm gonna work on my snow crab and lobster right now. Please make sure y'all wash your seafood before you cook it. Like, you don't want all of that debris and shit. You don't want that in your damn food. So wash everything. Wash your shrimp, wash your lobster. Bitch, I even wash my damn corn. Like, you wash everything before you put it in your boil. Like, come on now. Y'all don't know what these things been through. Wash your seafood. So make sure the water is cold. Like, you don't want to start cooking your seafood before you even put it in a pot. So yeah, make sure the water is cold, and then make sure you give it just wash it, clean it. I even wash my potatoes, I wash my corn, you know. Just make sure everything is clean before you start cooking it. So in this pot, I have my lobster with some obey, Cajun seasoning,
Let me call you back.
onion powder, garlic powder, and butter. And then in this pot, I have my snow crab steaming. And then in this pan, I'm about to saute my shrimp with some obey seasoning, butter, and garlic, minced garlic.
Hi, it's me.
So yeah,
Could you
I'll
inform
catch
Mr.
up.
Bass
And then my corn is still
that my plans have changed?
like cooking over here.
I won't be waiting, and he shouldn't come to the ball.
So yeah, that should be done soon. Let's see my potatoes. Potatoes almost there for my liking. But yeah, let me saute this shrimp. So I'm just shocking my lobster. The shrimp is done, my corn is done. I want my potatoes to be a little bit more softer, so I'm keeping it up in there for a little bit longer. And then I'm about to take out these out, and then I'm about to chop up my sausage, and then I'm gonna fry them because I like mine to have a little crunch. And then after that, I'm going to work on my butter sauce. So I'm sauteing my sausage. These are done. My potatoes are done. So I chopped up my onion, ginger.
That's so good. But you won't
And now I am melting the butter, sweet cream. So I added 2 heaping spoons of minced garlic. Then I'm gonna let that cook down. Here's all my seasoning.
How did it go with Tyler? Serena's at breakfast.
And the season is now in.
Hey.
So I'm gonna add like a cup of chicken broth. You can also use water. So then I'm gonna just let this simmer for like 5-10 minutes.
Miss Waldorf, this is not normal.
And Mrs. Muller, Charles is in no state to represent himself, and as Mrs. Bass's
Matter was my father's dad.
is indisposed with grief. Someone has to be here. So